dito sa asawa ko. Kung ano talaga yung napagdaanan namin.
Okay, ready tayo ah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
It's okay. Today, I vow to hold you in my arms, to keep you safe, and to keep you warm. Kapag maingay na ang mundo, ako ang tahimik mo. Kapag pagod ka na, ako ang pahinga mo. Pag nahihirapan na ikaw sa buhay, pag nahihirapan na tayo sa buhay, hawak kamay natin, haharapin yun. Yeah, that's the part na talagang it hit me.
Di mo bakit mo nasabi yun?
A lot of people will say na we look so happy, our relationship is perfect, but it's not. Just like any other relationship, it's not perfect, it's not full of happiness, and I'd say that we've been through rough times then, rough times. Yeah, so that's why I vow to be there for her. And in other words, di na magkukulang. To be the man she wants me to be.
Ano na ulit yung baby mo?
Jorina.
Julina. Anong nick?
Ina.
Ina. Okay. Kwento mo naman sa akin kung paano kayo nagkakilala ni Ina, paano?
Is this being recorded? Nakasal na kami. Parang ganun. Okay, so my wife and I nagkakilala kami in a very, very weird way. One day, my sister asked me if I want to go sa Starbucks, and sabi ko, ayoko, pagod ako. Galing kasi ako trabaho. Tapos sabi niya, libre ko. Hindi na ako tumanggi, libre niya. So, I stood up, sinamahan ko siya sa Starbucks. And pagpasok sa Starbucks, nakita ko yung isang upuan. Then, pumasok ang mysterious woman, a stranger, left side of the door. Tapos, diretso siya dun sa upuan yun. As if she already knows that uupuan niya na yun. Wala na siyang tingin-tingin. Talagang diretsong upo. Then, sabi ko, sa sarili ko, aba, naunahan pa ako. Then, wala naman ibang spot. So, I asked her if I can sit there while I'm waiting for my order. And she said, yeah, it's fine. At first, I wasn't looking at her. Because sabi ko lang, bakit naman inunahan ako na to? Then, I looked her in the eyes as I asked her if I can sit for a while waiting for my order. Tapos natignan ko siya sa mata. She was wearing face mask. So, sa mata pa lang, na-inlove na ako. Then, pumila na nga siya habang nakaupo ako. I asked my little sister out, pabulong lang habang malayo siya, lip sync lang. Sabi ko, maganda ba siya? And my little sister said, oo. Then, nahiya talaga akong sabihin or tanungin ano pangalan niya. My little sister asked the question kung ano daw pangalan niya. Then asked for her Facebook. Then that day, we started talking na. Walang ligaw-ligaw. Diretso na lang. It's like we know that, I don't know. Love is a mysterious thing. I don't know how. Pero somehow we know na kami. That's why we don't have any mansary, any anniversary. It's just the day na nagkakilala kami. That's the day when we started loving each other.
Anong araw yon? Kung wala kayong mansari, so anong araw yon na nakita?
That is December 16. Pahabol. Sikat nung panahon na yun, ang pahabol ng 2022. December 16. That's where we first met sa Starbucks. Yeah.
So, sabi mo nga, di ba, wala nang ligaw-ligaw. Tapos sabi mo kanina, nung nakita mo na yung mata niya, na-inlove ka na sa kanya. Paano mo may describe si Ina?
In my own words, she likes to express herself through dressing. Mahilig siyang manamit. Mix and match. Minsan, may mga araw na wala siyang pake kung anong iisipin ng ibang tao kung anong suot niya. The day I met her, she was wearing sweater, pajama, sinyelas. Di ko alam ba't ako na in love, pero yeah, I found myself deeply in love with her the first day I met her. Napaka motherly love. Mapagmahal sa magulang, maalaga. Most of all, napaka mahal na mahal niya ang Panginoong Diyos. God-fearing woman. That's how I see her. And she've always wanted to be a mom. That's one of her dreams. And after this, it will come true na.
Talagang ibinigay sa'yo ng ama si Ina, no? Pumasok ba or before ba nanalangin ka ba sa ama na ibigay niyo sa'yo yung babae?
No. That moment when I met her, I wasn't looking for anyone. I was having fun being single. Having fun, literal, having fun talaga. Then I met her.
Pero yung katulad yan, di ba? Nag-date na kayo, gano'n. Kailan dumating yung time na, si Ina na yung gusto kong makasama? Kahit walang specific na date, magkwento ka lang na
the day that we both struggled. And she did not phase. Hindi siya natakot. Nilaban niya. Then and there, I said, siya ang magiging asawa ko. Yeah. Tsaka kung paano niya din ako mahalin, at kung paano niya mahalin magulang ko. Especially kung paano niya mahalin ang magulang niya. That's when I knew she was the one.
So, ang galing na. Talagang makikita mo na paano niya mahalin yung magulang niya. So, parang ganun din. Mamahalin niya yung sarili niyang pamilya. Okay, kunwari ito na lang si Ina. Ano yung gusto mong sabihin kay Ina? Maliban sa vows mo. Kunwari. Ano tawagan niyo ulit?
Honey.
Ayan.
Hello, hon. You already know. You took the words out of my mouth na. That every day, I will serve you. Every day, I will protect you. Every day, I will love you. Tomorrow, next month, until next year, until I draw my last breath, I will love you forever.
Kung meron kang ipagpapasalamat kay Ina,
Salamat, mahal. Kasi hindi mo ko iniwan. Hindi ka bumitaw kahit nahirapan na tayo. Salamat sa pagmamahal. Salamat sa pag-aalaga. Salamat dahil you said yes and nandito na tayo.
sorry kasi.
Sorry kasi marami pa akong kulang. Sorry because I make mistakes. I'm sorry that sometimes I'm stubborn. But know that I'm going to be the man that you want me to be.
Okay. Dapat kanina ko pa tatanong eh. Last na. Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon napapakasalan mo na si Ina? Na ihaharap mo na siya sa ama?
Hindi ko ma-explain. Butterflies. Ito yung literal na hindi ako naniniwala dati. Pero ngayon, butterflies. Parang hindi ako mapakali. Masakit yung tiyan. Parang ganun.